VARILAMP PULSAR 300 IGBT dimmer, specially designed for electronic transformers. Advantages of using VARILAMP PULSAR 300 IGBT dimmers. It works with all types of electronic transformers, even with C-type ones. You will save up to 80% of energy at the minimum intensity. It will extend the life of your lamps up to 10 times. You will protect your eyes from the harmful sudden changes in brightness. You will soon get used to consume as much as you need, finding it easy and convenient. You'll be able to enjoy the appropriate lighting for every situation. For example, to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, watch television, or just be around at home with a suitable dimming for not disturbing or being disturbed. How to install VARILAMP PULSAR 300 IGBT dimmers with a single push button. Caution: make sure you've turned the power off before you begin. Here, you can see a standard switch like the ones you can find in any house or shop. First of all, remove the wall plate. Loosen the screws holding the switch to the wall and pull it out carefully. Disconnect the two wires from the switch and twist their ends. The VARILAMP PULSAR dimmer we are about to install requires a push button like this in order to work. Introduce one end of a short length of wire into the push button and attach the other end to terminal 3 or right-hand terminal of the dimmer. Then, strip one of the two wires about 7 mm and insert the end in terminal 2 or central terminal of the dimmer. Attach the other wire to the other pole of the push button and introduce another short length of wire into the same pole. Now, connect the other end to terminal 1 or left-hand terminal of the dimmer and the wiring is finished. Now, place the dimmer inside the box. Tighten the screws holding the push button. Put the cover back on and start enjoying all the benefits of lighting control. How to use VARILAMP PULSAR 300 IGBT dimmers. The light is switched on with a short press. If you press and hold the button, the light can be regulated. The light turns off with a short press. When you press shortly again, the light will be switched on with the last level of intensity registered. It also has got the advantage of turning the light on from the minimum. As you can see, if you press and hold the button when the light is off, it turns on from the minimum brightness in order not to disturb or be disturbed in the dark. How to install VARILAMP PULSAR 300 IGBT dimmers with 2 or more push buttons. Caution: make sure you've turned the power off before you begin. Here you can see 3 switches like the ones you can find in any house. First of all, we are going to replace the multi-way switches and the reversing switch with push buttons. Here you can see all the wiring already finished. In this type of installations, the order of the cables is essential. The load must be connected to the central terminal of the dimmer. The light or phase must be connected to all the red poles of each push button and also connected to the left-hand terminal of the dimmer. And the white poles of the push buttons must be connected to each other and to the right-hand terminal of the dimmer. How to use VARILAMP PULSAR 300 IGBT dimmers from the 3 push buttons. As you can see, the dimmer can be operated from all of the push buttons.